Welcome to Droppy, your go-to source for real and verified crypto airdrops and early Web3 opportunities. Before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe to help us keep dropping alpha every single week. Today we're breaking down SparkChain AI, a decentralized network that lets you earn by sharing your idle internet bandwidth and computing resources. It's like passive income, but powered by AI and Web3. Here's how it works. SparkChain allows you to contribute your unused bandwidth or help train AI models. That data fuels a decentralized AI ecosystem, and in return, you earn rewards in Spark tokens. Your contributions stay private and secure, but still deliver real value. You're already paying for the internet, why not let it work for you? And getting started is super easy. Here's how. Step 1. Download the Spark Lite Node extension. It's free, secure, and easy to install. Step 2. Create your account. Sign up and log in to your SparkChain AI dashboard. That's where you'll track your earnings, monitor your activity, and access all platform features in real time. Step 3. Contribute and earn. Share your bandwidth or compute power and earn points that convert directly into Spark tokens. The more you contribute, the more you earn. It's decentralized, it's fair, and it's designed for everyday users to turn small efforts into big value over time. Oh, and don't forget, use the referral link in the description to support the channel and get started with SparkChain AI the right way. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to earn with Web3, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you in the next drop.